$60,000 on Fiverr with this simple trick. This is a free strategy. You can perform it very simply, and there is no specialized skill required in order to perform the strategy. But there is a disclaimer: you can earn more or less depending on your effort and luck. The purpose of this video is to only guide you about this method. But before starting out this method, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have placed a link in the description box. You can start your journey from today. So let's start it with today's video and move to our platform, that is Fiverr.com. If you visit Fiverr.com and search for data entry jobs, you can see that there are a lot of gigs who are working on data entry jobs, and they are selling services for $30, $10, $30, $10, $80, $60, and there are a lot of reviews these gigs are getting. So it means there are a lot of buyers who are visiting data entry services, and they are buying their services for different prices. 391 reviews, 45 reviews, over 100 reviews, over 600 reviews. That's massive. 258 reviews, over 200. So there are a lot of people who are making some decent income after selling data entry services, and all you need is to replicate or watch this video full in order to get a better idea about how you can start your journey in data entry services and make money online. So if I open up one of the gig, like this gig, this guy is selling for $60 and he has received over 600 reviews. So if I just open up this gig, this is a gig from a person and selling it for $60. So if I just bring out my calculator here, 633 reviews, and as per my experience with the Fiverr, less than 50% of the people actually give you the review. So if I multiply this by 2 in order to reach our 100% mark, so it is much better figure in order to calculate the earning potential of this gig. This gig has received nearly 1266 orders. Out of 1266 orders, 633 people have actually given the review. And if I look at the pricing structure, that is $60. So multiply this amount by $60. So total this guy has earned over $75,000. Fiverr will cut off its 20% share. So if I multiply this by 80%, so over $60,000 from this simple data entry gig. That's the potential of data entry jobs on Fiverr. The best thing about this method is that you do not need to have any specialized skill at all. If you wanted to start your journey with the data entry jobs, then what are data entry jobs and how to get started? I have created a few slides for you. What are included in data entry jobs? These are 5 major things that are included in data entry jobs, and you can start your journey from Fiverr using or providing these types of skills. It just requires you copy paste work. The first one is writing and typing jobs. In these types of jobs, all you need is to write text. This is just a typing job. They will guide you how to write text and from where you can copy. All you need is to copy that text and write that text in either on the Word file or on the Excel file. You must have MS Office in your computer to perform this type of a job, and with the passage of time your writing skills will improve, and your more skills will improve, and you can perform these types of jobs very easily. The second jobs that are included in data entry jobs are copy paste jobs. This is similar to the typing jobs, but they may send you the image files, and these are non-editable files. So what you can do, you can just copy that text or read those text on those image files and write it down into your Word or Excel file. Actually, these are, if I just shown you an example here, let's suppose this guy has provided us some examples. This is an image file, and he has write it down into the Excel form. So he has given the image file, and from that image file this guy has write it down into the Excel file. So this is how you need to perform. The second version of data entry job is web research jobs, email collection from websites. Different guys may require you to visit different websites, like they may ask you to search for weight loss or how to lose belly fat on Google, and they may require you to visit top 20 or top 100 websites and visit their contact us form and copy their email IDs or their contact number. So all you need is to write down one by one into the Excel file, just like this guy has write it down on several occasions, like project name, website name, so all the information, so just like this, store name or website name, website link, business address, business phone. You need to visit a website one by one and take the information from those websites and write it down on Excel or MS Word. The fourth version or four type of data entry jobs are social media research, LinkedIn, Instagram data collection. In these types of jobs, you need to visit Instagram or LinkedIn profile, and from there you need to bring out data of different people, like name, LinkedIn profile, email address, contact number, and all sort of information that those people may require from you. So you need to visit different profiles and you need to get out data from LinkedIn and Instagram profiles. Like if I just show you an example here. So this is an example of Twitter, influencer name, Twitter email, Twitter ID, website, and mailing address. So they may require you different information from visiting different social media platforms, and you need to visit one by one profile and get out or take out the data from different profiles and write it down into the MS Excel or MS Word sheet. And the next form that is included in data entry jobs are data conversion. In this type of job, those people may require you to convert data from Excel to PDF or PDF to Excel. So apart from this, there are other types of data conversion as well, Excel to Word or PDF to Word or Word to PDF. So they may require you different conversion, and most of these types of jobs will be performed using free softwares. So let's suppose people reach out to you and he asks you about data conversion from Excel to PDF or PDF to Excel. So what you can do, just visit google.com and search for these types of free software. You can search on YouTube, from where you can guide or learn different softwares, and all you need is to download those softwares and perform these types of jobs. Those softwares may provide you output in the raw form, and you need to tweak a little bit of addition or deletion in those files in order to make it proper. So there may require you some type of work extra. But if I show you an example here, PDF file conversion, this is the PDF file and this is the Excel file, and you can do this using free software. There are tons of free softwares out there online. If I just search you how you can search for or convert data from there are different videos that can provide you the guidance, and there are few online platforms out there like PDF to Excel online, PDF tables, smallpdf.com, and watching these different types of videos or visiting different platforms, you can find different types of tools that can do such types of tasks very easily. So that's how you can start your journey on Fiverr from today. All you need is to create your gig on Fiverr related to the data entry jobs. You need to visit different data entry gigs, and you can get the information from different gigs and write it down on your own and create a unique gig in the data entry jobs. Just at the start, provide more value to your customers, offering your jobs at a lower price than your competitors. That's how you can receive orders from your customers, and once you reach your level 1, then you can increase your price and you can offer much more services with the passage of time, because at that you will get more confidence and you will get more motivation in order to perform jobs on Fiverr. So I hope you like this video and you can start your journey from today and you can make money using data entry jobs. Some people are making thousands of dollars by performing these simple types of jobs. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.